Here's how you can make
seaweed on a stick
from Madagascar.
Seaweed.
First we gotta wash our seaweed so we can remove all that salt.
And we also need to find us a little stick. Then in a pan, add peanut oil, garlic, chili powder, and sesame seeds. Now we can add in our seaweed.
Now just wrap your seaweed around your stick and call it a day.
Don't love it till you try it.
I don't know anymore.
So good.
Well, thanks.
Okay, it's not that bad. If you're not a fan of seaweed, then you might not like this, but if you like seaweed, especially those seaweed crackers or just the taste of seaweed, it's not super fishy. It kind of has a hint of that ocean taste. So as long as you rinse it off properly, it's fine. Then you can season it however you want. I love garlic and chili powder, so I got those bad boys in there. But I guess if you're a carnivore, then you're not gonna like this.
Well, maybe it could use a little lemon.
If I had to rate it wouldn't be my go-to type of salad. I would have to give this maybe a 6.3 out of 10.